Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm one of the engineers here at Mishimoto, and we worked with Ford Performance to develop this brand new performance intercooler for the 2022 and up Ford Maverick. So today we got the final product here in this sick box that was designed entirely by our in-house graphic team. And we're gonna open it up and go through the whole intercooler to show you guys what we got here. So opening up this box here, you'll notice this foam on top. That's just our packaging. We design all of our products in-house. We also design all of our packaging in-house to make sure that product gets to you safely. So then you can take out your intercooler, and you'll notice that that is actually the only thing in the box because that's all you need. This is a direct fit. It'll bolt right up to your Maverick as is. You don't need any additional hardware or modifications to your vehicle. So we'll go ahead and remove this protective bag that it ships in. And then you'll notice that it'll have caps here on the inlet and outlet. You can remove those as well. Those are just to protect the intercooler during shipping to make sure there's no dust or debris that gets into there. All right, so as you can see here, our intercooler is much larger than the stock intercooler. Our intercooler has a significantly larger core over the factory intercooler, which leads to improved airflow. We also increased the fin surface area to make sure that you get cooler, denser air into your engine. So our intercooler uses a bar and plate core design, and it has cast aluminum end tanks that are TIG welded directly to the core. This is a big improvement over the factory tube and fin intercooler with the plastic end tanks. So with this core, you can expect about 39.6% reduction in peak outlet temperatures. So that will reduce your outlet temperature from your intercooler from about 94 degrees with the stock intercooler down to about 57 degrees with our intercooler. Our intercooler maintains consistent cooling across the entire width of the intercooler, especially during back-to-back dyno runs where heat soak becomes a big factor. Also with this core, you can expect a 20% reduction in pressure drop, which means that your turbo has a lot less restriction to work against. And lastly, the intercooler fits entirely within the stock envelope using all stock mounting points and doesn't require any modifications to the vehicle. So that means for Maverick owners, this is a weekend install that can result in some noticeable performance gains. So if you want to learn more about this intercooler, we have an article that goes more in depth about the design, development, and testing that went into this, and we'll drop the link to that down in the description below. And that being said, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.